We all acknowledge Just Autos are by far the best and the leader in the industry for Toyotas.
What do you want me to say that?
Are you blushing?
I can't.
Give an exact number of both of you and see how close.
For end result?
Yeah.
342.
333.
Sydney Airport. Just got in, got a coffee, we got a hiker. Yep, cool. We're good to go. I'll tell you what, but it's a lot cooler here.
Oh, how nice is this car compared to the Toyota?
It says the fearless flyer.
Yeah, I know, but I was listening to Hilltops.
You would not listen to Hilltops. Why is your voice going all squeaky? Is this because you're anxiety with flying?
My phone just stitched me up.
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Good to see ya. Hey mate.
Hey mate, I'm on. Okay, so we just rolled up at Penrith 4x4. So far, first impressions getting here, I go through the car park and as you can see, there's a 300, a 200, 80, a 250, a 79, there's a 78 series, I think there's a 79 in the dyno, there's a 76 in the background, 79 and a 300 series there. So there's lots and lots of Toyota cars here. Today, it's all about communication, training, understanding. So it goes both ways. We have a sit down and we talk to TJ and Penrith and we also go through the dyno and the fitment and we really understand what their needs are and if there's anything that we need to add to the program to make sure that you guys are getting the best possible product and the best possible service moving forward. So come for a walk with us. We're going to go through, start some of those discussions and yeah, see what comes out of it.
So Matt and Ryan have popped down from Queensland to come down to see us, say hello, do a distributor visit. We've been doing their tunes for over a year now. I've managed to get a few 79s, so we've got package 1, 2 and 3 on 79 all here at the moment. We've got a stage 3 on a 300 here. We've done a stage 2 on a 200 here. So I managed to book in pretty much the entire range of vehicles. The only thing I was missing was a Hilux.
The 300, it's in rear-wheel drive. We don't usually run them in rear-wheel drives. I'm gonna say it's gonna roll about 220 horsepower at the rear wheels.
Expecting it to spit out somewhere about 180, 190 horsepower at the rear standard.
What did you say, Mark?
180 is what I reckon.
Oh, I was closer. Best run was 212, I said 220.
Give an exact number of both of you and see how close.
For end result?
Yeah.
342.
333. So obviously we've got the 300 in here for pack 3. I thought it was going to go a bit lower than it did on its first pre-runs. After the tune, may go 350, but we'll see. Whatever the figures are, it's going to be amazing. This is the whole thing. Once we put that intake pipe on in the full package, you lose the surge out of the middle. The drivability of that vehicle is just amazing. Not only that, the reliability goes up through the roof.
The customer service from you guys that we've been getting has been fantastic, and that's something that I'm super proud that you guys have achieved that.
I don't know a more passionate group of people about what they do than you guys. Especially like yourself, Matt. You don't ever stop. I can ring you anytime, anywhere, and you'll answer the phone. And it's not hard to sell that to a customer when you can see, I'm just as passionate about that product as you are. I believe in what we do. It's on all our own vehicles. It's second to none.
We got 4 cars to do, is that right?
Yep, we've got 79, 79, 76 and a 300.
And a 200.
And a 200.
Yep.
And the 200, we'll get that
Cool.
through too.
All right, well, let's get them sorted and go from there.
Done, let's go.
Let's go tune. Penrith 4x4 first come on about just over a year ago. We actually did Mark's own personal 300 series at the time. He was really impressed with what we were able to provide him and how seamless and how smooth it went. And that started us off on the distributor network as far as putting them on and going through the training and really starting to do Just Autos products. As you can see behind me, we have the dyno cell that they've invested in. They've put this beautiful dyno cell with state-of-the-art technology that's in it that's able to do these cars correctly. Cell is really impressive. It's got perforated panels on here. 2 massive big fans up there running both 60% duty cycle on that. Beautiful intake that again is insulated. So if you look at the intake's insulated. So again, the sound's trapped. Big doors, big reach. You can put some big cars in here and you're not gonna have an issue with it. Touching on the roof, I'm a little bit jealous. Definitely gives me ideas in the future of how we would build ours. We're just here on the dyno with the 79 series. Exactly how we do it on a day-to-day basis. I'm interested to see how the car performs on this dyno. Another 79 series that we'll get working really, really well. So Just Autos is able to support our distributors through a system that we have set up called EasyTune. It's a system that we use. It allows us to be able to data log and tune the vehicle through the system. All of our distributors have it set up. It is a bit of software that is able them to do so many different things with these cars. They're set up just for Toyota and allows us to tune those vehicles remotely and have instant access to those data logs and recordings and understand what we need to do in live time to be able to then modify that car to get it to be on point. It's one of those things which is very unique to Just Autos that we have. It's a system that goes straight to my mobile phone, so no matter where I am, we have a full support team also that is a backup from that. So if we have overflow work, we can get onto it straight away to ensure that every customer is getting the cars in and out and looked after correctly. This 200's here, already got a tune file in it. It has 174 horsepower standard, and the tune file that was in it did 200.9 horsepower. So we're just going to go in and load our base file in and yeah, go from there and see if we can improve on what it's already got.
You'd be silly not to tune a 200. The gains you get out of a 200 are just
great.
nuts.
Great engine. I think, you know, the twin turbo auto, like, it's perfect.
So let's go peak on peak on peak, right? Stock torque. Peak figure, 518 Newton meters at all four. The previous tune, respectable, 653 at all four, but then JA just goes and smashes it out of the park with 860 Newton meters at all four.
We smoked it. We've just got to fix it up now to make it even better and go from there.
The 20 horsepower is marginal whether you're going to feel that in your bottom. But you go to what we've just done, we've added another 80 horsepower on top of that, another 200 Newton meters on top of that. You're going to know that it doesn't matter who you talk to in the diesel tuning community. There is nobody better with a Toyota diesel tune than Just Autos. Doesn't matter who it is, we all acknowledge Just Autos are by far the best and the leader in the industry for Toyotas.
What do you want me to say to that?
Are you blushing?
I can't. We'll be back tomorrow. We've got 2 more cars to tune tomorrow. We've got a 300 series that's going on the dyno, and we've got another 79 series as well. So yeah, it'll look good. Bounce. Day 2. We just had brekkie, had a coffee, so we're all ready to go. Back to Penrith 4x4. Got 2 cars to do today. Just in the first day there yesterday, they were all over it. They definitely know what's going on. We don't have any problems there, which is fantastic. Should be an interesting day and pretty smooth sailing, I'd say. So yeah, pretty good.
Okay, so we've got a 79 series, basically brand new, 6,000k old, VDJ on the dyno for a full package 2 from Just Autos. We've gone from 369 Newton meters at the rear wheels to 850 Newton meters at the rear wheels. Jumped from 146 horsepower to 233. The gain across the entire rev range is so impressive. These drive that much better than stock. It's just night and day what they're like.
It's pretty surreal to be able to come here and have a look at the signs, and you can see Just Autos. We'll go into the showroom and there's podcasts playing of us talking about certain products and seeing our actual products on these cars. It's amazing that, yes, we're a small shop in Nambour that has just kept chipping away and just never gave up, and now we're here fitting these products to these cars, and that's something that's very surreal. I said 341?
Yes.
Is that what I said? What did you say?
I said 333.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
We'll see what it does.
So,
Anyway.
I'll win.
Yeah. That's
If it doesn't get it,
I was going to say you could make it get it.
You said 333? Yeah. All right, Mark wins. Yeah, I lost. I said 341 and it got 329. Mark said 333, so yeah, Mark was closer.
The advantage I've got here is it's my dyno and I generally know what these things spit out at the rear wheels.
I think I just let him win. You know, I made sure exactly that's where it was to make him win. I need to make him feel good. All right, it's been a really big 2 days here at Penrith 4x4. I'm extremely proud of what Mark and the team have done here, and I'm really looking forward to, you know, exciting things in the future, what we can do together as this partnership grows. So at this moment, they're doing everything right, so it's fantastic. If you're in the Penrith area and you have a Toyota that wants to be tuned and you're looking for that power but reliability, Mark and the guys here at Penrith 4x4 are the team to come to. And if you have any questions about our packages, please get in contact with us and the boys will be happy to answer any questions.